Yo, you thinking about buying some new equipment? Let's talk about it.
Big Safe.
Fat Man Scoop, Brooklyn Clan. What's up, y'all? This is Fat Man Scoop. And right now, you watching the sensei, the number one, the king, my dude, Big Brando. He taught me, personally, me, Fat Man Scoop. All you gotta do is keep your mouth closed and your ears open. Listen to the man talk. That's knowledge personified right there. And I wouldn't trust nobody else but my dude, Big Brando. And I said it. Fat Man Scoop, Big Brando. Let's go.
What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and this video right here might date itself a little bit, but if you're thinking about buying some new equipment, I think now is the time, especially with all of these companies having pre-Black Friday sales and equipment being at an all-time low. Now is the time. If you were thinking about it, now's the time to do it. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of pre-Black Friday sales stuff on my Instagram. Well, some of the companies that I think are doing really good deals, maybe on vinyl cutters, heat presses, embroidery machines, stuff that pops up in my feed, I'll share it on my Instagram story, which is cool, especially because I'm thinking about getting some new equipment. I've been wanting to get another embroidery machine. I've been holding off a little bit just to make sure the time was right and my money was right. Then I seen videos of Deco and I seen the new Ricoma machines that have the cool screens now. Then I was like, man, I'm glad I waited. And now with those machines being at an all-time low for the year, now's the time for me to pull the trigger. But I'm glad I waited because those touch screens look crazy to me. Super dope. Also, the other thing I was looking at was inks for my Sawgrass printer. You guys know that the inks in the Sublimation printers cost a lot. I noticed my Sawgrass printer runs way better when I use the Sawgrass inks. I have used the cheap Amazon ones and they do okay, but I noticed the machine runs way better when I use the Sawgrass ink. So now when I see ink and stuff go on sale, that's when I'm buying it. When I see paper go on sale, that's when I'm buying it. I don't know if you guys know this, but I say it a lot. I'm a cheapskate, man. I hate wasting money if I don't have to. And if I could catch a deal on something, man, you know I'm all for it. The other thing I've been looking into was I want to start printing my own stickers at this location here that I'm at now. So I'm waiting for one of these sticker machines or one of these big printer cutters to go on sale so I can jump on it too. I have my eye on a few different ones, but I'm just waiting for some of these Black Friday sales to hit so I can start bringing you guys some sticker content. Another way to get deals on equipment and stuff like that is when you go to the Impressions Expo. A lot of times these companies are selling whatever they bring to the show. So the demo model that they're showing at the event, they're doing the demonstrations on. A lot of times these guys don't want to pack that thing up and ship it back to their warehouse. So a lot of times they'll sell it at a discount so they don't have to bring it home with them. I know there's a lot of people out there that attend these shows just for those demo models because you get them on a fat discount and you know they work. So if I don't get a sticker machine, meaning a printer cutter during these Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals at the Impressions Expo, I'm gonna be trying to wheel and deal something over there too. I know there's a few content creators out there that do have those machines. I feel like there's an untapped space content wise for those machines and I would like to fill that void. So I'm trying to find something out there that's affordable, that I could justify for my business, prove my theory right to make sure that I can make some money in the sticker space, but also provide that content so other people that own these machines can start making money in this space too. Same thing, like I see there's a lot of people that own DTG machines and they all make dope content, but there's a certain area that I haven't seen tapped yet. So if I started making DTG content, I know exactly what I'd make it about because I haven't seen too many people make videos about that and tap that market really to where it's profitable for them and anybody else that does it. That's kind of the content that I want to start bringing. Is certain areas in the market that I haven't seen a lot of content made. A lot of content be made around, but I know there's money to be made there, so I want to share that with you guys. So if I decide to get a new DTG machine, it'll be to show you guys how to actually make money with one of those machines instead of just showing you how it works, because I think there's a big market that could benefit from DTG prints that I haven't seen spoken about on YouTube or even shown. Maybe nobody knows how to sell the DTG prints or whatever it is. And I don't even know if I can make money in that space, but I do want to test the waters a little bit just to show. So for myself, it's looking for a sticker machine so I can make sticker related content to show you guys how to make money in this space. Then also looking into a user-friendly, budget-friendly DTG machine for the people that want to get into that space to actually show how to make money with one of those printers and not just try to trap somebody up and put them in debt by showing them how the printer works, but not showing them how to make money with the printer. I feel like that's the void I need to fill because I haven't seen a lot of that on YouTube. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to buy during Black Friday, or the stuff that I'm looking for store if I could find a good deal on, bring you guys some cool content, but try to make some money in these spaces, show you guys exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, so you can make money in these spaces too. All right, hopefully this video helps you guys out. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. That's where I'm going to be posting a lot of the sales that I see, a lot of the sales that I think are worth it. And if something's a good deal, it's a good deal, man. I want to share the information with you guys. But if you were thinking about buying or upgrading your equipment, adding some new equipment to your shop, now is the time to buy, especially when all these pre-Black Friday sales are going on, Black Friday sales, and the Cyber Monday sales. I know a lot of these companies are going to be running really good deals. Now's the time to do it. All right, catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.